Hello, St. Paul's. This is the ministry and renovation update for Friday, February the 12th. I don't have too much for you today other than to remind you that worship service is at 10:30 on Sunday morning. It is live streamed. You can find the link for that at our website, stpaulsottawa.com. You don't have to do it live streamed. You can watch it at any point during the day or the week or whenever. In fact, if you missed a service 2 months ago, that service is still on our YouTube channel and you can find it there. Just a reminder that Sunday is Valentine's Day, and if you celebrate that, you only have 2 days left to get that organized. What I do have for you today is a bit of video. I was into the church to check on the building and to pick up the mail today, and I shot a little bit more video of Campbell Hall. A few things have changed since you last saw it. There's a bit of furniture in there. There's a few things on the wall, and so here, enjoy. Here is a quick look around the room. It not only looks fantastic, but it is a wonderful space to be in. It's just such a joy to be in this space, and I'm so looking forward to you seeing it in person. Up on the walls, we have some round discs, which are the new way of absorbing some of the excess sound to cut down on some of the echo and reverberation in the room, and so far that looks like it's working really well. This is the view from the kitchen, and again, I just can't wait for you to be in this space. The Lord bless you and keep you.